What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to follow and unfollow uh investment on Google Finance. Now, as you can see here guys, I'm on Google Finance, and if you want to create, for example, a watch list so that you can follow or unfollow any investment, it is super easy. On the left hand side, if you click the burger menu, you will find watch list. You can click on the plus here and you can create a watch list. Let me call this one test and just go ahead and click and save. Now, as you can see here, I've created a watch list. It's going to take me into the watch list. And once I'm inside the watch list, I can quickly go ahead and click on add investments, and I can just choose from whatever investment I want to add. And as you can see, I've added the investment there. Now, added the investment is the same as following an investment. So on the right hand side here as well, you can see that it's showing me some related things that I can add in. I can go ahead and I can add them. And if I scroll down to the bottom as well, you can see that it also shows some things that I can discover and I can open up. So let's say NVIDIA Corp, I can open up that and it will show me what NVIDIA looks like. And as well, it shows that I'm currently following on the upper right hand side. Now, if I'm on my home page as an example, it will go ahead and it will show you some of those top movers in my list and so forth. I can go ahead and I can see them as well, and I can add them into different watch lists. Or if I'm scrolling down, it will show some of the most followed on Google. So I can also find some opportunities here that I want. So for example, the Meta platform, this is something that I've not yet been following, and I can simply click the plus to follow. As you can see on the right hand side, if I click on that, it's going to go ahead and say follow, and I can click the drop down here and put it into a specific watch list category or folder that have been created here. So as you can see here, it also allows me to create a new watch list, and I can quickly add it, for example, in the test one that I've created. And now it's in the test. Now, if I go ahead and open up, for example, the test, let's say watch list that I've created, you can see that I've added a few of them there. And if I scroll down on the right hand side or wherever I'm on this page, it will show me some opportunities that I can follow. So let's say I want to open up, for example, the Dow Jones here. I can go ahead and open up this. It shows you where you're currently following from. So if I'm not yet following this, let's say I remove it, right? You will see that there's an opportunity for me to follow it. So this one is brand new. Let's say I'm not following this, it will show like this. And all I have to do is just simply click on the follow button, and I can choose whichever watch list I want to put it in. So I can put that in, for example, investment watch list, and I can put it into test, and I can put it into wherever I want. And the same goes if you want to unfollow it. You just open it, just uncheck those watch list folders that you have it in, and it's going to remove it from the following. And that's how you go ahead and, let's say, follow and unfollow any single investment that you find on Google Finance that you want. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.